Okay, now I'm gonna basically follow along this line. You know, I'm not gonna score very hard. I'm just gonna do it nice and gentle. The trick with these things is really it's not about forcing the issue. It's just, you know, just taking your time and following the lines that you've made. It's kind of awkward because I'm trying to show you and actually do it at the same time, but you get the idea from this. Once you've made your score, then it just comes down to repeating the score over and over again until you get a nice groove in there. And then what I do is I just start putting some attaching lines in it like this. That way, when it comes time to snap it out, it really does snap out pretty easy. Kind of like that. So I'm going to repeat that on this side. So you can see it. Incidentally, when you're doing this, you really should wear gloves. And I know that I always say that, but I have a good reason to. I've cut myself so many times doing this. You ask anybody who knows me and they'll tell you I am so freaking clumsy that it isn't even funny. Now you notice I'm cutting inside there a little bit. That's okay. Cutting inside the lines is okay. Cutting outside the lines, not so okay. Because once you take the material away, you don't get it back. Right? Okay, so to save video, I'm gonna finish scoring this one, and when it comes time to snapping them out, I'll show you how to do that too.